Hello, sixth graders. I hope your day is starting well. This is Mr. Shear, and we are indeed going to do day 4 of percents. As always, with percents, I'm recommending a calculator today. And again, it's a worksheet assignment today. So it'll be in your Google Classroom, but you want to answer the questions on the PDF and put them on your answer key, just like we've been doing all week. Okay, I keep telling you this, but there's 3 types of percent problems, and we have now done all 3 of them. Today, they're going to be mixed up. So we'll walk you through again the 3 types of percent problems, and I'll give you some examples. So we had the type of problem where you had to find the part, which is whole times percent. So this is the first type of problem we did. What is 32% of 150? And we did 0.32 times 150 equals 48. That was day 1. Day 2, we found the percent, which was part divided by whole. So 18 is what percent of 30? And we said 18 divided by 30 is 0.6. 0.6 equals 60%. And then yesterday we did day 3, where we found the whole amount, which is part divided by percent. So 7 is 35% of what number? Remember, 35% is 0.35, so we did 7 divided by 0.35, which equals 20. Those are the 3 types of problems: whole, part, and percent. There's a couple tricks with a single sentence question, and the tricks all revolve around memorizing that part equals is, whole is usually next to of, and percent has a symbol to help you identify what numbers you have. So 9 is 25% of 36. Part has the word is next to it, percent has a symbol, and 36 has the word of, which is whole, next to it. So the way this works, you cover up what you're looking for. If you use the percent triangle, I'm going to refer to this a lot in this lesson, and it tells you what to do with the 2 numbers you have. If you have not written this percent triangle on a piece of paper yet, I would highly recommend it. Part on top, whole bottom left, percent bottom right. Get your division symbol here and your multiplication symbol in between whole and percent. So what you have today, this is a statement. 10, which is the part, and this, remember, is. 25 is the whole, 40 is the percent. What you have today is 2 pieces of information, and you're missing the third, but it varies every time. So in this case, you have the part, you don't know the whole, and you know the percent. So I'm going to jump into some examples. Again, it's inconsistent, but what you have to do today is 2 things. You got to figure out first, what are you looking for, part, whole, or percent. You got to put that on your answer key, and then you got to solve it. So 20% of 70 is what? So again, first I have to determine what I'm looking for. I've got the percent. I've got of 70, so I've got the whole. Is what? I'm looking for part. So if I have my triangle and cover up what I'm looking for, and I know to solve, it's going to be whole times percent. Oh, I'm going to correct that real quick. So again, to find the part, it's whole times percent as a decimal. So in this case, 0.2, which means 20%, times 70 gives us the answer of 14. Whole times percent as a decimal. That's how you find the part. Okay, let's do one more. So 27 is what percent of 45? Again, first step is you have to determine what you're looking for. So I've got 27 is, so I've got the part, of 45, so I've got the whole amount, and what percent? So that's what I'm looking for, is percent. So go to the triangle, cover up what you're looking for, and it's part divided by whole. So in this case, 27 divided by 45, which gives us 0.6 or 60%. Okay. 52 is 26% of what number? So first step today is to determine what you're looking for. 52 would be the part. 26 is the percent. So I'm looking for the whole amount. So if I cover up what I'm looking for, it's part divided by percent. 52 divided by 0.26, which gives us the answer of 200. Okay. What is 112% of 28? So again, first step, determine what you're looking for. You've got the percent, and you've got of 28. So you must be looking for the part. You've got the whole amount here. You've got the percent here. All right, if you don't remember what to do, cover up part on the triangle. It's whole times percent. And writing that percent as a decimal. So 1.12, which is the same as 112%, times 28, which gives you the answer of 31.36. Two more. 6 is 0.4% of what number? So I got 6 is, that's the part, 0.4% is the percent, so I'm looking for the whole amount. So hopefully by now you're getting the pattern. Part divided by percent gives you the whole amount. 6 divided by 0.004 equals 1,500. And again, I know for a lot of you guys, the hardest part is two things. First, determining what you're looking for. And second, knowing when to convert this percent to a decimal and exactly how to do that. So a little tricky. So if you struggle on this, just keep in mind two things. One, you can always email me, and I'm happy to help you. And two, we'll be working on it again today together at the Google Meet. So if this is something tough for you, you're not alone. Lots of people struggle with determining these types of problems. Come to the Google Meet. Okay, one more example. 13 is what percent of 52? 13 represents the part. 52 is the whole amount. So we must be looking for percent. I'm going to cover up what I'm looking for on my, oh, whoops. Try that again. I'm going to cover up what I'm looking for on the triangle. And I'm looking for percent. So I got part divided by whole. 13 divided by 52, which gives me 0.25 or 25%. Just a quick note, on your assignment today, you'll notice you've got to do two things for each answer. So I did the first one, number 1, on the worksheet is done for you as an example, but you need to both write down what you're looking for and the answer. So for what you're looking for, it's either part, whole, or percent, and then what you got as the answer. So every question is a two-part question. There's 15 problems total. Again, we're going to work on them at the meet. I look forward to seeing you guys today, and I hope this goes okay. As always, 6th graders, thanks for watching, and send me any emails if you have questions.